The reason why you should be watching this video right up till the end is so that tomorrow, God forbid, you or your family member gets COVID positive, you should know when which treatment should be used. COVID-19 is a 12-day disease. There are the first 6 days and the last 6 days, and the treatment in these two phases differs a lot, and sometimes if you use the treatment early or you don't use it in the phase it is meant for, it can lead to severe complications or in the worst case, death. So all thanks to Dr. Jagdish Chaturvedi for amplifying this voice about COVID-19 being a 12-day disease and encouraging all content creators to amplify this message so that people don't run helter-skelter for oxygen, for remdesivir, for steroids and mismanage a COVID-19 patient. So as I said, COVID-19 is a 12-day disease. In the first 6 days is the viral multiplication phase where the virus is reproducing at its maximum. It is like an army. It wants to increase its size so that in the next 6 days it can attack your body to the maximum. So this is the time when you will have your COVID associated symptoms like fever, loss of weight, tiredness, loss of taste and smell, throat pain, dry cough, body pain, vomiting, diarrhea, but no lung symptoms. This is very important for you to understand because the symptoms of pneumonia, that is your breathlessness, the oxygen dropping, will not happen in the first 6 days. This is when the virus is multiplying. This is not the time when the virus is shedding. The shedding of the virus that we talk about, the lung symptoms, when people run for oxygen, this happens in the next 6 days, from day 6 till day 12. The next 6 days is known as the consolidation phase. This is when the virus starts dying, what we call as virus shedding, and it releases a lot of proteins, the spike protein that you might have been aware. It releases certain chemicals, and this triggers your own immune system to have an inflammatory phase, which literally means that the body pours a whole amount of water onto the fire created by the virus. This is why they say that the lung is filled with fluid in this particular last 6 days, and this is the time when you need oxygen if your lungs are not capable of transferring the oxygen from the atmosphere into the system that is your body. So because of this massive inflammatory response, what we call the cytokine storm, the release of your tumor necrosis factor, interleukin 6, interleukin 12, this injures the lining of your blood vessel, what we call as the endothelium, and this is the main cause as to why the exchange of oxygen between the inspired air and the body, that is the blood circulation, gets impaired. Because of this ineffective oxygen exchange, this is the time during the last 6 days when the oxygen is gasping for air, specifically oxygen, because oxygen is coming in but the exchange is not happening. So after the 6th and the 8th day of the onset of the symptoms of COVID-19, you may want to get an inflammatory marker test. Now you may want to get your inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein, D-dimer and ferritin, and also an coagulation profile, that is a bleeding time, your clotting time and your vitamin K levels, to totally understand your complete blood work, the way the blood clotting mechanisms in your body are functioning normally or not. If these markers, that is your 3 inflammatory markers that I told you about, if these are above the normal, it means that your body is having a very big inflammatory response, and this is the time when you need to take steroids. Steroids are anti-inflammatory drugs. They are used generally over a wide variety of diseases to decrease inflammation. They are one of the most effective drugs out there to decrease your inflammation, and this is the time you need to use your steroids. But using steroids is like a double-edged sword. Although it combats inflammation, which is your body's natural immune response, since the steroids are combating your natural immune response, they are also decreasing your immunity. So understanding, they are literally taking over the function of your body, that is your immune function of your body, to suppress inflammation. So you tell me, what will happen if we use steroids in the first 6 days of your COVID-19 symptoms? You will decrease your immune system even before the virus has started shedding and the inflammatory response of your body has even started. So why should you weaken your body in the first 6 days when you actually need a proper immune system in the last 6 days? This is the major reason why doctors are coming out and saying that you should not start with steroids. Don't just go to the pharmacy and get a steroid from there. Sometimes it may even be the wrong steroid, and there are so many side effects to steroids. If at all you have to use steroids, use it after getting a blood work done for these inflammatory markers. So now let us come to this drug, that is remdesivir. Everyone's talking about remdesivir as if this is some magic drug that will cure you of COVID-19. Now remdesivir, VIR, virus, it's an antiviral drug. It decreases the multiplication rate of the virus. So when does multiplication of the virus occur? In the first 6 days, right? So remdesivir will be effective only in the first 6 days of the onset of symptoms, when the virus is multiplying like hell and wants to increase its viral load to the peak. But once you land in the hospital, and people go to the hospital because of breathlessness, because of the lung symptoms, which happen in the late 6 days after the onset of symptoms, there is no role of remdesivir over here when the virus is shedding. So please don't go run around searching for remdesivir once you or your relative is in the hospital. This is because they need over here oxygen and steroids depending upon their inflammatory response. So the reason why I'm making this video is so that tomorrow if you or a relative become COVID positive, the mind immediately goes into flight and fight response. You forget everything that you know about COVID and you're just thinking about curing this particular patient in the fastest time as possible. Which is why you need to watch this video right up till the end, and thank you so much if you have done so, because this will make you understand how the disease is and which drugs need to be given at the right time. So to completely summarize, the first 6 days viral multiplication phase, the only drug that will help you over here is remdesivir to decrease your viral load, and by the time you end up in the hospital, it is the last 6 days when you'll be needing your oxygen and your steroids to control the inflammation. So that's it guys. With these simple tips, I hope you understand how COVID-19 disease is developing, and we will have more knowledge about this COVID-19 as the pandemic progresses. So there will be update videos coming up, and if you enjoyed this video, if this video was useful in explaining COVID-19 in a simplified manner, do hit the like button. Do hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the content on this particular channel, because a lot of effort goes into researching for these particular videos. And as always guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.